Good morning, students. Welcome to the GK class. Students, open your book GK Planet. Today we are going to start with lesson number 36, that is Doctor's Time, on the page number 52. A doctor is a person with the profession of treating a sick or injured person. Doctor is an important person. He works day and night to treat and cure sick people. He also knows how to dress and heal wounds. A doctor is a good friend of the sick. He is considered to be the God because he does the pure service of whole mankind without discriminating among patients. There are several diseases and only doctors fight against those diseases and treat infected people. Now students, in this lesson, we will discuss about the useful tools used by the doctors to check and treat the sick person. Students, now we will start with the reading part. So put your pencil here. When you are sick and go to see a doctor, do you know the name of the tool the doctor uses to check you? Let's find out how much you know about such tools of science. Now students, in these lines, it is given that when you are sick, you go to a doctor for treatment. Doctor uses many tools to check you and treat you. Let's learn about these tools in this lesson. Students, now we will start with the exercise part. So put your pencil here. These are pictures of useful tools that make our lives better. Can you identify them? Use the help box and write down their names in the given space. Now students, in this exercise, the pictures of the useful tools used by the doctors are given. We have to write their names in the blanks. But students, before starting with this exercise, we will discuss these tools one by one. Number 1 is stethoscope. It is a tool used to measure people's heartbeat and their breathing. It is placed on the area where the heart is or on the back. Number 2 is thermometer. It is an instrument used to measure human body temperature. They are accurate and sensitive. Number 3 is medicines. Medicines are legal drugs used to treat or cure an illness. Some medicines are freely sold and some are used only with the permission of the doctor. Number 4 is injection. An injection is putting liquid into the body, usually with a syringe or needle. Injections can be used to prevent illness or to give medicines. Next one is gas cylinder. A gas cylinder is a pressure vessel for storage of gases at above atmospheric pressure. High pressure gas cylinders are also called bottles. The last one is bandage. A bandage is a strip of cloth or other material that is used to stop or absorb blood from wounds. It is tied around an injury or part of someone's body that has been hurt. Now students, as we have discussed about the tools used by the doctors to check or treat sick people, now let's have a recall. Number 1 is stethoscope. A tool used to measure heartbeat of people. Number 2 is thermometer. A tool used to measure human body temperature. Number 3, medicine. Legal drugs used to treat or cure an illness. Number 4 is injection. A tool used to put liquid into a body to treat illness. Next one is gas cylinder. A pressure vessel used for storage of gases. Last one is bandage. A strip of cloth used to stop or absorb blood from wounds. Now students, as we have discussed and recalled about the tools used by the doctors to check and treat sick people, now you have to complete this exercise, revise this page and do the worksheet given in your SNAP homework. Thank you and have a nice day.